Hey guys, this is Chase here, MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. I want to bring to you today a new 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX. Now this boat is the entry level into the Sea Ray line, but that's pretty much it. That's entry. I mean, you'll see as I take you through it, the interior, the little added details that Sea Ray does, they're all on this boat. Sea Ray really has your family and friends and your time on the water in mind when they designed this. So I'm going to take you through it just now, show you some of the layout and things that it has to offer, and see you in a second. So starting in the bow of this 190 SPX, you'll see there's sun loungers on each side, cup holders below, storage underneath, big storage compartments. The front is a step up, so if you like the board from the front, you can easily. Turning around and going through. Oh, you also notice the speakers with the Fusion stereo system. So you'll see they went for the dune package on this 190 SPX. That's the coloring. Dual captain's chairs. In the helm, you'll see it comes with the standard gauges, but you could upgrade to a Simrad display if you'd like. There's the controller for your Fusion stereo. And you'll see, like I said, Sea Ray really puts cup holders and storage everywhere you can think of. Here's a glove box for you. More storage down here. Storage below my feet here. Big lounger in the back with storage underneath as well. That's actually an insulated cooler. And a big sun pad on the back that flips up, and guess what? You guessed it, more storage, guys. Huge storage on this boat. So this particular 190 does come with the ski rail. So you can pull someone on a tube if you'd like, or wakeboarding. And then you'll see right there on the back that beautiful Mercury Pro X S115 engine. I am standing under a matching bimini top. So if this looks like something you guys want to take a look at, well, let's get it out on the water. Come see us here in Clearwater, Florida. That's Chase again, and we look forward to seeing you. Thanks.